Hey everyone, welcome to Food with Dev. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you one of my favorite, if not favorite dish that I ate growing up. Vietnamese crab with ginger and scallion, or cua sao gừng. Here's a list of all the ingredients for a serving of 4. You can pause the video or check the description down below. Let's get right to it. The first step is to cook the crabs. In a large pan or wok, add in 1/4 cup of cooking oil on high heat. Once hot, turn the temperature to medium-high heat and add in the 8 cloves of minced garlic. Mix it around so it doesn't get burnt, then add in the 1/3 of the thinly sliced ginger. Continue to stir until you see a nice golden brown color. Then add in all of the crabs. For the crabs, cut them into pieces at the size that you prefer. I left the crab legs whole, but you can also break them into smaller sections. Mix it around so it can soak in the garlic and ginger, then place the lid over the pan or wok until the crabs are fully cooked. This takes about 3 minutes. The next step is to make the egg mixture. This part may look nasty, but this is where all the flavors are at. And trust me, it's all edible. After cleaning the insides of the crab, you'll notice a yellow greenish substance, and that is called the crab mustard, or tamale. It is crab fat and can be eaten in moderation. It's actually considered a delicacy. To make the mixture, crack in 3 eggs with the crab mustard, then mix it around. Step 3 is to season the crabs. For this part, we're going to season the crab directly in the pan or wok. To start, add in the 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of natural mushroom seasoning, 2 tablespoons of sugar. As you add in the ingredients, don't forget to stir the crabs around so the ginger and the garlic does not burn. Then add in the rest of the ginger. Continue to stir so the crabs can soak in all the delicious flavors. Next, add in the egg mixture. And 1 tablespoon of tapioca starch, which I mix a little bit of water to get a liquid consistency. A small amount of black pepper, about 1 teaspoon. All of our sliced onions. Mix it around evenly, then add in the scallion for the finishing touch. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like to support the channel. Also, please consider subscribing if you haven't already. It really means a lot to me. Thank you all so much for watching and for supporting my YouTube journey. Have a wonderful day. I'll see you in the next video. Now it's your turn to get cooking.